Why establishing business fundability matters and how to achieve it easily. Fundability matters. It's so easy to get lenders to decline loan applications and creditors to not give you credit. Building a fundable business will help you get approved. The business will stand on its own. It can't look like a hobby you do in your spare time, even if it started off as a side gig. You need to build for fundability. A business starts with no credit profile. Therefore, what's on an application is all that's reviewed for approvals. So your application must be very strong. Most companies fail in their first year. Half of all companies fail in their first 5 years, and 2/3 in the first 10. As a result, new businesses don't seem fundable to lenders. Get started just by being consistent and congruent. Congruency is your best friend. Keep all records consistent. CRAs and creditors are looking at everything, so it had better match, or you'll get a denial due to fraud, because that's how lenders interpret inconsistencies. This is a cause of denials which is in the business owner's hands. You can change and correct this. This means your business name, address, phone and fax number, everything must look the same in your IRS records, business records with Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and Equifax. All licenses need to run your business and incorporation documents. Copy and paste this information. Do not chance it with retyping. Let's recap. Keep all records consistent to ensure fundability. Set up your business legitimately with a domain, phone numbers, an address, and more. Get all ID numbers and register with the IRS. Choose a business entity. Corporations are best. Make sure you've got all the necessary licenses. Set up your business bank account for fundability. And get your personal credit house in order. Contact us today to learn more about why establishing business fundability matters and how to achieve it easily.